Hey y'all, it's the Dsoleil Twins. So today we're doing jumbo or large butterfly locks, okay? So we're starting with some Marley hair. This is Cuban twist. This is in the color, I want to say ginger 35. I'm not quite sure, but just anyone will work because they didn't have a burgundy in our store at the time. We're going to take this free twist hair. This is the first strand. Crochet it through the base. Use one side that's shorter and start to wrap with that side. And then you're going to insert your thumb random spot so that you can get that distressed butterfly look. We're going to build these locks up. So you do one strand at a time. And then when you're getting closer to the end or throughout there, every now and then, you're going to take a little bit of nail glue and put it on the synthetic Freetress hair, not the client's hair. All right, so we're back with our second piece of Freetress water wave hair. Now you're gonna build up the lock. So again, you see us just inserting our thumb random places, just making sure it looks distressed and pretty. I love this style because it's so much easier than doing the smaller butterfly locks. And if you want a more detailed butterfly lock tutorial, just scroll through our channel if you're new. Hey girl, hey, we are the Dsoleil Twins. We do hair, makeup, beauty, lifestyle videos. And when we were doing hair at the time, we went by the Loc Twins. But we're just kind of giving y'all some of our tips and tricks on how we slayed this large butterfly lock style. It was so gorgeous, y'all. So pretty. So you're just gonna watch us build these up a few more times so that you can get the gist of it. style is coming together. So let's show you how we seal the ends. You're gonna put a few dots of nail glue and just keep switching your hands over and over and over until you're finished with your length of your lock and you're finished with the wrapping hair. So you just keep going over it, and then when you're done, glue the end, wrap it down a few more times, and cut off the Cuban twist. That's it. So let me give y'all another look. As y'all can see, her hair looks so beautiful, y'all. This color was amazing. She got so many compliments, y'all. We were barely even finished. People were talking about like, oh my God, I love it, da da da. But anyway, you're gonna do the same technique. As y'all can see, her hair is not as long as this length right here. Her hair is pretty long, but not as long as this length right here. So it's really more easier to just, you know, dot the glue wherever on the Cuban twist, and then the Freacher's Water Wave hair will stick to it. So that's perfect. If y'all want us to do this style on ourselves, that way you can see it up close and personal, again, drop a comment in the comments, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that y'all can get more detailed videos as far as hair from us. But right here, we're just extending that lock again, adding another piece. So this is the second strand. And then when we're done with the entire lock, we go back over it with one more strand over the top part, one more strand over the middle, one more strand over the end, so that the locks can be fuller. It's the final slay jumbo large butterfly locks by yours truly, y'all. This was so flattering to her. It looked amazing on her. Her lashes was there. Her lash tech understood the assignment. And then, girl, turn around for us, please. Yes, yes, ma'am. So I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.